If you've ever wondered how to crop within a layer in Photoshop without permanently deleting anything, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest and safest way to crop part of a layer using a layer mask. This is a great method because it's non-destructive, which means you can always come back and adjust it later if you change your mind. So if you want to keep more control over your edits, this is definitely the technique to use. And before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open your Photoshop project and make sure the Layers panel is visible. Now click on the specific layer that you want to crop. This is important because whatever layer is selected is the one Photoshop will work on. If you have multiple layers, take a second to choose the exact one you want to edit so you don't accidentally affect the wrong object or image. Next, go over to the toolbar on the left and select the rectangular Marquee tool. You can also press M on your keyboard as a shortcut. Once the tool is active, click and drag over the area of the layer that you want to keep. Try to be as accurate as possible, because this selection will determine the visible part of your layer. Don't worry if it's not perfect right away, because you can always fine-tune it before applying the mask. After you've made your selection, look at the bottom of the Layers panel. You'll see an icon that looks like a gray rectangle with a white circle inside. That is the Add Layer Mask button. Click it once, and Photoshop will instantly hide everything outside your selection. What you'll notice is that the unwanted parts disappear, but they are not actually deleted. They're simply hidden behind the mask, which means you still have the option to bring them back later if needed. This is what makes layer masks so powerful compared to a normal crop or erase. If you want to edit the crop later, just look at the small black and white mask thumbnail next to your layer. You can right-click on that mask thumbnail and choose Disable Layer Mask if you want to temporarily reveal everything again. Or if you no longer need the mask, you can select Delete Layer Mask to remove it completely. This flexibility is one of the biggest reasons designers and editors prefer masks over permanent edits. If you need to refine the result, you can also click the mask thumbnail and use the brush tool to paint black to hide more or white to reveal more. That gives you even more control over the final crop without ever damaging the original layer. So just to recap, select the layer, choose the rectangular Marquee tool, make your selection, and then click Add Layer Mask. In just a few steps, you've learned how to crop within a layer in Photoshop in a clean, editable, and professional way. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick Photoshop tips, tricks, and beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.